Right now I'll show you how to turn this bicycle into this, a simple suitcase-sized travel package. One of my favorite ways to travel is by bicycle. But if you want to start from a different place than where you live, you're gonna have to take the bicycle with you somehow. Usually when you take the bus or take the train, it costs extra to take a bicycle, but you are allowed to bring a large piece of luggage. So I'm going to show you here how you can take the bicycle apart and how you can pack it in a compact way, so you can take it as normal luggage in the train, in the bus, or maybe even in the airplane. You just need a few small tools. The crank arms and pedals are quite wide, so to make the package a little bit smaller, I'm going to remove one of them. So this might seem like a bit of a hassle, but with some practice it only takes about 15 minutes, and most of the tools you should have with you anyway. Now the next step is to pack everything together in a tarp. So as you can see, it's quite a small package. It's about the same size as a large suitcase. You can easily take this on a bus, on a train, or maybe even on an airplane.